for you is to use royalty-free stock media. This can include short videos on loop and stock music. There are a few websites that offer this content for free, so all you'll have to do is just add your voiceover to the clips and still have interesting visuals for your video. If you don't want to say anything, then you can also use static images and just play the free music in the background. Meditation videos are popular in this field. If you want to try something that's genuinely funny or entertaining, then you could try something as simple as dog or cat videos. People like cute pets and they absolutely love it when they see these pets do something funny. You don't need to edit these videos or use any kind of animation, it's all about keeping it natural. As a matter of fact, you may not even need to have your own pet, you could just record your friends or your family member's pet and give them a share of your earnings in exchange for them allowing you to use their pets. I personally love watching these types of videos and I've seen the massive numbers such videos are doing on YouTube. Plus, you get to play with lovely animals, it's a winning situation for everyone. Now, there are certain videos where you feel like you have to be in front of the camera to put your point across. You probably want to create a certain kind of tone or theme in your video and it might not be possible with you being there in front. What if I told you that it can still be done without having to show your face? All you need to do is wear a simple disguise. It could be anything like a mask or a costume. This way, you get to create the kind of engagement that you're looking for while still maintaining your privacy. You can even make it a part of your brand and use it to your advantage. People might end up coming back to your channel just to see you in your disguise. If your video is such that it absolutely requires someone without a disguise to be in front of the camera, or if you feel that you want your audience to see someone real, then you could either hire an actor or take the help of a friend or a family member to take your place as the face of your channel. It depends on how comfortable you are with knowing that your audience associates your channel and your work with the person standing in for you. I also think you can make videos with yourself in front of the camera without showing your face. It's all about the camera angles. You could use low angles so people won't be able to see anything above your neck or shoulders. The Study With Me or Clean With Me videos use this strategy. Another reliable option would like to suggest would be podcasts. Podcasts are extremely popular. Not just on YouTube, but also on other people like to watch is lists. Whether it's a top 10 best songs list or a top 10 worst movies list, these videos get hundreds of thousands of views. You can create your own compartment and make endless lists for that particular compartment. You won't even need to use any complex animation, you'll just need to edit the videos properly. Lastly, you've got the option to simply create text-guided tutorials. Pick popular topics and provide tutorials on them using static images or animation backed by light music in the background. Your speech will be presented in the form of text, so there's no issue of your audience looking at your face or even hearing your voice. And that's my list. Of course, each and every strategy one mentioned has its own set of advantages and disadvantages depending on how comfortable you are with certain things and how you want your videos to look like. There are lots of ways to capitalize on your videos and make money off them. You can get into merchandising or product placements or affiliate marketing as well. However, that is another topic in itself and I might discuss that in another video. Let me know in the comments if you would want me to do that. Feel free to share anything that you think I could have added to this video too. But for now, I hope I helped you understand how to tackle this issue and still come out on top with some amazing content. Give this video a thumbs up if you came across anything useful and I hope to see you again in the next one.